Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make like this thing, the zombie spawner. So first, you're gonna want to get a creative map up, like this one, like a 1v1, like make it like a 1v1 like this. So like 2 of these, 2 floors, wood, I don't care. I made mine look a little nice. I put some guns around, and then I did some detail. First, you're gonna want to grab a button, place it here. Press customize button, and then just copy my settings. Just pause the video if you have to. And name it, yeah. Name it interact. There. There. Okay. There you go. Then you want to place the trigger, which any near it, like right next to it. So the trigger, you're gonna want to have this. So this. Okay. Next one, you're gonna want to. The next thing you want to do is want to place one of these. Anywhere, like right here. I like placing mine just randomly wherever I want. And then I place them. You're gonna want to copy these settings. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, then you want to place these on the corners, like exactly like I did. See, on all 4 corners, and you're gonna like the same settings, and then just copy them 4 corners. Then you're gonna want to place a pool like this, and you're gonna want to rotate the zombie, and then have like the same settings under, and then like place them upside down, so they like I don't know, but like I don't know how it works, but like it works. And then do the same for the other side. This is a short video. If you want more depth, like watch another video. And then this is how you like, and then you just like place these here, just like this. Like you just place these underneath the wood, and then you edit it. Edit it. And then you have a button, and then like I'll show you. And you can start the game at any time you want. And let's say you're 1v1 your friend. You just go. Let's say you're 90 up. I'm not a good builder, really. Let's say you like fall down and you don't feel like destroying them. All you're gonna have to do is press this one button, and then the zombies will like destroy it, like that. And then you can like this is what you can do with the button. You can like put the button somewhere else. And you can do the same for the other side. Then all you're gonna have to do now is like start the game again. If you want one or two buttons, you can put two. I like only having one, but it's your choice. And you can just build up. Let's say building up again. And then you like fall. And then you like, oh yay, I broke it. And the zombies will just break it. It's pretty cool. I'll just show you some examples. I mean, I don't have any friends on right now. It's like kind of late night for me. This is the new chapter, by the way. Like if it was like old, it's a little different. So this like newer version of it. Okay, it's I for me to open now. Okay, I. Okay, I. What the hell? Okay, that's weird. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. See you guys next time.